Evening and welcome back to the next Toolbox video. It's yet another Halfords modular tray set. So in this one we've got the 11-piece AF combination spanner set. That's actually imperial sizes. Most modern cars are metric, but you know, stuff like your classic British cars, you know, your BL cars, you know, Austin, Morris, Triumph, and other BL makes, MG probably, yeah, and quite a few other British makes, probably Roots as well. And they all had it imperial, which is inches. So, pause for the thumbnail. There we go. And this one will come in handy for when I start working on dolomite again, because that's all imperial. I've been 1970s BL, and dolomite was descended from the Herald. So get the cellophane off. Get this one out. Yeah, once the silica's MOT'd, it'll be sold and the dolomite will be coming in here to get some much needed love. I almost do this with my eyes shut, so I just nick it on three corners, well, three sides, not three corners. So that should just lift off, peel that off. Just dispose of your packaging responsibly and recycle where possible, which is basically the cardboard. Recycling will love me this week. And I forgot to show you. What they are. So it's just a combination spanners. In various sizes from 1/4 inch up to 7/8. I can't remember whether 7/8 is 13. Yeah, 7/8 is biggest, yeah. So those are various sizes. You've got 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, half, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, and 7/8. And that'll fit a fair few of the nuts and bolts on the Triumph dolomite. So we'll just get one out. It's same as other combination spanners, and this is 7/8. So we've got the size in fraction of an inch, Halfords Advanced, and just says chrome vanadium, and the size again 7/8. As ever, these things, they come with their lifetime guarantee, and they'll if it gets damaged in normal use, they'll just replace it, no questions asked. And I've said in a previous video I've been able to test that out. Unfortunately, the staff at the local Halfords, they know me. So where to put these? So just show you that, and we'll find somewhere to keep these. So I'll put them in this drawer. You can keep the flexi head ratchets company. So we're doing this with one hand. And there we go. And that we're not quite, we're nearly at full house. And the very last one I need to complete the collection is the imperial sockets. So sockets in these sizes are 1/2 inch drive sockets. So I've got them on order at Halfords, and when I get them, you'll be seeing that in the next Toolbox video. So I'm going to wrap this one up here. So that's it for this particular video. So that's 3 videos I've done tonight with the modular tray sets. I've got another one coming which will complete the collection. So how many is it up to? 17, I'll count them. So we've got 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Can't remember, was it 16? I think there was 17 actually, yeah. Yeah, there was 17, so I got 16 out of 17. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that bell for notifications of upcoming videos. Questions and comments, you might put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.